And now, a dramatic reading of Dr. Bronner's Magic Soap Bottle.
Absolute cleanliness is godliness. Teach the moral ABC that unites all mankind free, instantly 6 billion strong, and we're all one. Listen, children, eternal Father, eternally one. As taught by the moral ABC, the real Rabbi Hillel taught Jesus to unite all mankind free. First, if I'm not for me, who am I? Nobody. Second, yet, if I'm only for me, what am I? Nothing. Third, if not for me, if not now, when? Once more, less constructive, selfish, I work hard perfecting first me. Absolutely nothing can help perfect me, exceptions none. Fourth, only hard work. God's law can save us. But if we teach only our clan, we're all hated. We're all hated then. So Hillel taught Jesus, we must teach friend and enemy, the whole human race, the full truth, hard work, free speech, press and profit sharing, moral, ABCs, all one God faith, uniting the whole human race. For we're all one or none. As teach for 6,000 years the African shepherd astronomers Abraham and Israel since the year one. Listen, children, eternal Father, eternally one. Exceptions eternally? None. Absolutely none. Fifth, whatever unites mankind is better than whatever divides us. Yet, if absolute unselfish I am not for me, I'm not but classless, raceless, starving masses, a slave. Never free nor brave. Only if constructive, selfish, I work hard, perfecting first me, like every Arctic owl, penguin, pilot, cat, swallow, beaver, bee. Can I teach the moral ABCs, all on God faith, the real Rabbi Hillel taught Jesus to unite all mankind free? The second coming of God's law, Muhammad's Arabs, 1948, found Israel's Essene scrolls, and Einstein's Hillel proved that as no 6-year-old can grow up free without the ABC, so certain can no 12-year-old survive free without the moral ABC. That mason, tent, and sandal maker, Rabbi Hillel, taught carpenter Jesus to unite all mankind free in our eternal Father's great all one God faith. For we're all one or none. Listen, children, eternal Father, eternally one. Enjoy true cosmetics, enough sleep, and Bronner's, Dr. Bronner's magic sleep, magic soap to clean mind, body, soul, spirit, instantly uniting one. Absolute cleanliness is godliness. For facial packs, scalp, and soothing body rub, add dash on bath towel and sink of hot water. Wring out, lay over face and scalp. Massage with fingertips. Repeat 3 or 4 times. Till arms, legs, and all are rubbed. Always towards the heart. Always towards the heart. Rinse towel in plain hot water and massage again. Breathe deeply. With U.S. hemp seed oil. Family soap maker since 1858. Dr. Bronner's 18 and over 150 years and 5 generations of soap excellence. No detergents. Dr. Bronner's 18 and 1 hemp tree, tea tree, pure Castile soap, certified, fair trade, made with organic oils, ingredients, water, organic coconut oil, potassium hydroxide, organic palm kernel oil, organic olive oil, tea tree extract, organic hemp seed oil, organic jojoba oil, citric acid, tocopherol, certified fair trade ingredients, none remains after saponifying oils into soap and glycerin. None remains. A pure Castile soap made from plant oils without synthetic ingredients. 2 to 3 times more concentrated than many leading liquid soaps, cleansers and body washes, dilute with water. Clouds with cold, when cold, put in warm room or water. Clears at about 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Warning! Keep out of eyes. If cap clogs, poke it clear. Do not squeeze bottle and shoot out soap. Soap can clog and squirt when pumped. Dispense with pump dispensers. Soap can clog, so don't use those. Flush eyes well with water for 15 minutes. Consult a physician if irritation persists. Don't drink soap. Dr. Bronner's All One Magic Soaps! In all we do, let us be generous, fair, and loving to spaceship Earth and all its inhabitants. For we're all one or none, or one! A 100% post-consumer recycled plastic bottle. Biodegradable. Dilute. Enjoy one soap for 18 different uses. Shave, shampoo, shower, bath, mop, blonde, or degrease. Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile. It's the very best soap for body, home, and spaceship Earth. Synthetic preservations, detergents, foaming agents, none! Health is our greatest wealth. Enjoy body rub, your ultimate body, mind, spirit, soul, and teach the essence, the scene, moral ABC, uniting all three in the shepherd astronomer Israel's greatest all-one faith. Dilute! Dilute, okay? One small squirt applied to wet hands. or washcloth to wash hands, face, body. Add 1 part soap to 3 parts water. Foaming dispenser. Use within a month. Dilute 1 to 10 with water. For hand wash dishes, best in soft water. Laundry, 1/3 to 1/2 cup soap for larger loads. Mop floor, 1/2 cup soap in 3 gallons of hot water. Wash dog wash dog by wetting fur. Then massage soap in for good lather. Rinse thoroughly. Massage the dog. A dash in bowl of water to remove residue from fruit and veggies. Rinse. Rinse. Come on. Rinse. Dry, clean. All-purpose cleaner. Add a 1/4 cup of clean water to the soap. And this is going to make your all-purpose cleaner for energy and all-one cleaning. Clean 1 tablespoon quart of water to spray plants for dogs. Washing dogs. And bugs, wash the plants of bugs. Shave. Face, underarms, legs. Lather up. 5 to 10 drops in wet hands. Apply it in Dr. Bronner's soap to Hillel. Visit lisabronner.com for more usage. Oh, and my toe crab. Dr. Bronner's is certified! Fairlife, Okeo, the non-GMO. This isn't going well. Contains at least 70% Fairlife trade, Fairlife fair trade, for life, fair trade. Ingredients certified under the USDA National Organic Program, made in USA with locally sourced ingredients. Oh, give me some Jesus stuff or something. Oh my God. Developed and distributed by Dr. Bronner's. P.O. Box 1958, Vista, California 92085, USA 1-844-937-2551. www.drbronner.com. Oregon Tilth Certified Organic. Dr. Bronner's was founded in 1948 by Emmanuel Bronner, a third-generation German Jewish soap maker. He used the labels on his soap bottles to ecological soaps to spread his message that we must realize our transcendent unity across religions and ethnic divides, or perish. We are all one or none. The business continues to be run by his family. Seventh. Each swallow works hard to be a perfect pilot, provider, builder, trainer, teacher, lover, mate. Now have true hate. Have courage and smile, my friend. Think and act 10 years ahead. Find the man without fault. He's dead. Jesus. And hello. Do one thing at a time. We're God. Get done. Stop looking at yourself. We're God. Get done. Then teach friend and enemy. Out of work, love unite. All mankind free. All mankind free. It's nice. Uniting one. All one. Face the world with a smile. Life is always nothing else. No, that's the next line. Life is always worthwhile. To the fearless are given jewels, kept out of the past. Disappointments won't last. There goes the accent. What is this? Disappointments won't last, eh? When they tell you you're going to the slammer. For bobbing some knickers. I think I'm getting silly because of oxygen deprivation. Let's go. Worthwhile to the fearless are given Jews. My Jews. Jewels. Keep out of the past. Disappointments won't last. Help unite mankind. All will wandering fools. Repetition is the key to knowledge. So, help unite all one. Thank God we don't descend down from... Oh, no. Free speech is man's only weapon against half-truth. That denies free speech to smear, slay, slander, full truth. Our only God unites all mankind brave. It's 10 men. God, free speech, brave. If ever one religion unites all mankind, it will be by omitting all relevancies and redundancies. Irrelevant. united under the faith in one Almighty, all-embracing, ever-loving, ever-evolving, ever-recreating eternal God, and by absolute nothing else, America's founding father. America's founding father, Thomas Paine, 8 books suppressed since 1799. What? 6 million years of kill or be killed, half-true hate must be replaced by love and teach love. Full truth, uniting all in God's faith. Tenth, thank God we don't descend down from perfect Adam and Eve to sinful sinner, brother and keeper, divided slave. Thank God, united armed, loving, hard-working, trained, brave, from dust we send up. Thank God for that. Our brother's teacher of the moral ABCs, Mason, test and sandal maker Hillel, taught carpenter Jesus to unite. I was going to say smite. To unite all mankind free. With it, every human being can evolve united and inspired, raised, trained, skilled, disciplined, guided, lightning life by a new birth. Without it, we destroy God's spaceship earth. Aknafam, Bahar, Ula, Buddha, Confucius, Moses, Hillel, Jesus, Muhammad. That got easier. Inspired every 76 years by the messenger of God's law, Paley's Comet. Teach a fire, a mist, a planet, a crystal, a cell of jellyfish, a dinosaur, caves where cavemen dwell. Then a sense for work, love, song, art, play, law, beauty, a face turned up from the sod. A face turned up. $12. Where's 7? Where's 8? Where's 8? Did they skip 8? Where's 11? All right. 12. A great teacher must first self-supporting be, like Allison M.G., Berlin Rabbi Bayek, Martin Buber, Carnegie, Marva Collins, Cousteau, Edison, Rabbi Lieberman, Payne, Baruch Spinoza, Strauss. Oh, I'm gonna do these like freaking SNL. You know, I've been doing it all like SNL, so let's do. A great teacher. A great teacher must first self-supporting be, like Allison M.D., Berlin Rabbi Bake, Martin Buber, Carnegie, Marva Collins, Cousteau, Edison, Rabbi Lieberman, Payne, Baruch Spinoza, Strauss. Ghost! Dr. Thomas says, Wendell Wilkie, Yachtin, and appearances by Zamenhof. Oh my God. My neighbors like it, man. They must want to move real bad. At least I'm not getting thirsty. Or he will turn our greatest teachings into sparkles with which to bury our people. All people, added Carpenter Jesus, entering manhood. But for 2,000 years, we rabbis never teach the moral ABC that the real Rabbi Hillel taught Jesus to unite the human race in astronomy's ever eternally tremendous all one God faith, for we're all one or none. Oh, what? Exceptions eternally. Exceptions eternally? Exceptions eternally? None. Absolutely none. God bless the food and bless the loving hands. The loving hands that prepared it. Bless it to give us strength and bless that strength. So we use it to help unite the whole human race in thy kingdom, all one God faith. 13th, knowing the full truth that unites the human race and not teaching all in deathly guilt. Learned Carpenter Jesus from Mason Rabbi Hillel. What an apology, we rabbis. Oh, Israel marks Mao, all mankind, for not teaching astronomy's great all-one God faith, that with just 6 words eternally unites the human race, as teaches African shepherd astronomer Israel for 6,000 years. Listen, children, eternal Father, eternally one. For on God's spaceship Earth with bomb and gun. Pew, pew. We're all one or none. All one. All one. Exceptions eternally? Absolutely none. These are the days, my friend. We know they'll never end. We'll work, sing, dance, love, marching on. Marching on. We live God's law each day. We win free speech, okay. With all truth. No, with full truth, though, our only God. We rally, raise, unite, all one. All one. All one. All one. Again and again, we're all one or none. All one. Exceptions eternally none. Absolutely none. These are the days, my friend. I went back. I'm not going to do all that again. Live God's law each day. We win free speech, okay. With full truth, our only God. We rally, raise, unite, all one, all one, all one. Again and again, we're all one or none. I read it again. I gotta bleep those out at some point. Therefore, 6 million Dr. Bronner's magic soaps teach the moral ABCs that 6 billion strong unites all mankind free in astronomy, eternally great, all one God faith. From 29 to 44, Maker Master Chemist Bronner built 3 American soap plants, trained 9 chemists, licensed 6 of 53 patents for $60,000. But after 44, after losing father, mother, wife, almost his own life, tortured, blinded, he deeded to African astronomer Israel's 6,000-year great all-one God faith all of his patents, plants, products, profits, 4 new industries: Plan Tempe's and Town Without Toothache. Potassium soda industry giving mankind a new mineral salt, calcium malt, corn, sesame, mineral bouillon, and Dr. Bronner's magic soaps, all one in 47. After father, mother, wife murdered, ourself tortured, blinded, he wrote this poem to keep my health, to do my work, to love, to live, to see it, just to it, to see to it, I gain and grow, and give and give. Never to look behind me for an hour, never to wait in weakness, nor to brag in power. Always working, searching for more truth, more light. Always writing, teaching what I found good and right. Robbed, starved, beaten, blinded, wide astray, back with the full truth I've gained back to the way. Smile, health, teach the whole human race. The moral ABC of all one God faith. Lightning like strong, and we're all one. All one. From the Army of Principles by Thomas Paine, 1799. Americanism is the knowledge of, the loyalty, inspiration, or attachment to the army of principles of all one God faith. That lightning-like unite the human race. Oh, we're all one or none. Exceptions eternally? Absolutely none. No, Webster. We can no longer live half slave, half free. We unite the human race to all one God faith, or perish by true hate. For we're all one or none. Abraham Lincoln. Government, like fire, is our most useful servant. If fully controlled by us, its citizens and government, exactly like like fire, government is like fire, becomes our most destructive master if not fully controlled by the open majority of its productive working citizens. The only unit of armed citizens fully controlled by the voting majority of its productive working citizens. Only that well, that only uh, 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 only only united, armed, vigilant, and trained Swiss 6,000-year peace and freedom reign. Exceptions none. From the Army of Principles by George Washington. I've never stooped so low as to hate any man, for I've learned that in the long run, all mankind needs, wants, loves, whatever good work you've done, regardless of your race, color, nationality, or religion. Booker T. Washington. Born enslaved. If ever one religion reunites God's legions, it'll be by admitting all half-truths. Added onto all one God faith, that lightning like unites the human race from one or none. Listen, children, eternal Father, eternally one. From the soap maker, hello. The sandal maker, hello. As teach since the year one. Astronomers Abraham to Muhammad, inspired by the sign of the Messiah. Haley's got it! Sign of the Messiah, Haley's got it. An army of principles can penetrate where an army of soldiers cannot. It will succeed where diplomacy may fail. It will always unite the human race where all else survives one God faith. From American founding father, the world's first steel bridge builder, Thomas Paine. His 8 great books, not taught since 1979. Actually, I like that shit. The trouble is that the wrong people are always the most energetic, united, and intense. Driving the hard workers to lose in self-defense. That fact alone brings Hitlers and Stalins to power. And that will only change when we rally, raise, train, evolve, unite the whole human race with the moral ABC in all one God faith. The intensity of man's emotions is a greater driving force and more decisive than the sum total of his education, his money, plus the size of his brain. Proof? Einstein. The moral ABC, introduced by Kipling's If and Soapmaker Bronner. If you can talk to the crowds and keep your virtue, or walk with kings and not lose the common touch, if neither loving friend nor enemy can hurt you, if all men count with you, but none too much, if you work hard to teach each unforgiving minute all in God faith, Mason, Hillel, Carpenter, Jesus, Deuteran. I thought I was going to rhyme again. To unite the human race, from hell, hate, band, you'll. No, unforgiving minute. All one God, faith, Mason, Hillel, Carpenter, Jesus. To unite the human race. Come hell, hate, band. You'll enjoy God's spaceship Earth and do great work within it. And which is more, my son? You'll be a man. A man! Sure, east is east and west is west, and never the twain shall meet. But there's neither east nor west nor border, creed nor earth, nor birth. Once the moral ABC unites all mankind free on God's spaceship Earth, it rhymes sometimes. Then and only then, no matter how rough the trip, how charged with punishment the scroll, you are captain of thy ship, the master of thy soul. Okay. Each day, like a bird, perfect. Perfect thyself. Each day, like a bird, perfect thyself first. To have courage and smile, my friend. Think and act 10 years ahead. And the man without fault, he's dead. Do one thing at a time. Work hard. Get done. Get it done. No, where is it? Get done. Get done. Then teach friend and enemy how to work and how to love. For God is love, uniting all one, and in God's eternal all one God faith. There are brave souls who dare to dream that men are brothers, not foes. That hands may clasp across the seas to common good, to common woes. Who dare to hear their mighty truth reverberating through long years, that faith, love, courage conquer fear, and teamwork seal a nation's tears? Through flood and fire sweep, the old world's sawed, and raging wars and evils wreck its calm. Still, through the awful tumult, there is God. Our glorious world within is raised calm. Among the journeying stars, the moon, the sun that have not failed because of that great might. With other pilgrim planets, we are one held in his hand, kept in steadfast sight. With either pilgrim planets, we were one held in his hand, amidst the cannon's roar. You can hear God's work, God's law uniting mankind in all one God faith. For centuries, man struggles, half asleep, half living, small, hate, jealous, bickering, with mountains of red tape to the awakened. With mountains of red tape to the awakened. The night God chose, giving his great reward for hard work. Poetry, uniting love, evolving man above the ape. First, a human being works hard to love his enemy, to help unite all mankind free, or that being is not yet human. So go the second mile. Hold hold the other cheek brave. Not not meek, for we're all one or none. All one. Exceptions eternally? None. Absolutely none. 22nd. Small minds decay. Average minds delay. Great minds teach all one today. We victory and all stand by you. Give up, I'll deny you. Remember, the only difference between the brave and the coward, the brave has an ideal to fight for, such as teaching the moral ABC that at once unites the human race in all one God faith, as teach Abraham and Israel, inspired by the messenger of God's law, the sign of the Messiah, Halley's Comet, the blazing star of Abraham, David, Buddha, Bethlehem, and Muhammad. 144. When half-truth is gone, and we are dust, the full truth we protect, and teach alone lives on. Full truth is God. It must. Help teach the whole human race. Moral ABC of all God's faith. Lightning like 6 billion strong, and in our eternal Father's kingdom. We're all God. We're all one. Listen, children. Eternal Father. Eternally one. I didn't expect to agree with that so much. I never read it before. This water's cold now. I was just like it's about a bunch of stuff. Dang. I can't see. I've been blinded like Dr. Bronner.